Hi, my name is Amanda Reising, and I'm an educator with Sunlights Balayage. I'm also a behind-the-chair hairdresser in Evansville, Indiana. And I just wanted to give you a couple tips and tricks today with the infrared heat lamp. So one of the things that you want to make sure whenever you're placing your ballet wrap is that you leave along the part an area that Candy calls the zipper, where you can take and open that up, because you do not want to put that under the heat, keeping all the gases in there sealed, because it will break your base. Another tip is you want to make sure that the clay lightener, that you've let it set long enough before you put it under the heat, that the clay lightener has gotten an outer crust on it. And honestly, I don't use the infrared heat lamp very much with my balayage because I am mixing it thick enough that I don't really need the extra lift. But if I do, I only place it for the last 5 to 10 minutes of processing time. The other thing with this infrared heat lamp that you want to make sure is if you're using this one, there is a knob here on the side. Do not ever turn that up more than halfway whenever you're heating up your balayage. Thank you and have a good day.